Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted a YouTube video since 2-3 months because been busy with my clients and all. So here is a video I have done, and this video is actually a review video for Sheglam Willy Wonka collection. I know I've been late, but here you go guys, and I have created this look. If you all want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching and do check the review also.
Sometimes I'm selfish, get jealous, I feel a little helpless. My whole world has shifted again. You made a promise, I kept it. Now I'm second guessing.
As you can see guys, this is the Willy Wonka, the chocolate factory from Sheglam. As you can see the collection, it is so beautiful. The packaging, I really love it. And as you can see that when you open, you can see 3 lipsticks, sets and eyeshadow palette and blush and solid perfume and free gift, which is a eyeshadow brush and brooch. As you can see that this is the Wonka bar, and when you're going to open you will get a golden ticket. And as you can see that the shades of this eyeshadow palette is so pretty, and honestly speaking it smells so like chocolate. And the first shade I'm going to be using is deep cacao. As you can see that I'm going to be creating a eye look which is like kind of like a half. As you can see that I used a pencil brush, eyeshadow brush. As you can see I'm creating a half cut crease type. As you can see, the next shade I'm using is dark chocolate, and I'm gonna be applying on the same on my crease, but not full, but just a halfway only on the same line. As you can see, I'm just creating a small line. It's no problem that if it's not blended, because later we will blend this. Then I will be using the Fudge Mallow Delight, and I'm going to be blending the two colors. As you can see, I'm going to be taking a small blending brush and I blended the two colors which I used previously.
At my own world of make-believe, kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink.
Then again I'm using this shade deep cacao, and I'm gonna be again blending with a pencil brush, as you can see on the video.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Next I will be taking this shade which is malt. As you can see that it's a kind of like a concealer. It's a cream based, and you can use this as your eye primer or your concealer onto your lid, like to create a cut crease. As you can see I'm creating a small kind of cut crease, kind of half cut crease, as you can see that in the video.
Why can't you?
Then I will be taking again this shade which is deep cacao, and as you can see that now I'm going to be creating a kind of like a smoky type liner, a smudge type liner. As you can see, you can say that as you can see on the video.
Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything.
Now I will be taking this shimmer shade which is golden ticket, and I'm just going to be apply all over my eyelids, as you can see. And to be honest, this palette I really like because all the shades on this palette is really very pigmented. Even also just one swatch, it's really very pigmented, as you can see on the video. Even the shimmer shade also of the golden ticket is so nice. I really love this palette. As you can see, I have created this look.
Content, hold your breath and feel the tension, devil.
So this is the blush from the collection. It's violet flush blush. As you all know, the movie Willy Wonka, there is a character Violet. So it's inspired by her. As you can see, the color of this is purple, like blue, like kind of like a berry type, and it smells also really like a berry. As you can see, the shade, I'm swatching it, and I'm gonna be applying on my cheeks. In really, it smells really like a blueberry. Has it mentioned in it's inspired by the movie Willy Wonka, and it's really smells like a blueberry bubble gum type.
Lock it, untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on day, dreams got dirty.
Next from the collection, this is a lip balm, which is cocoa yum lip balm. As you can see, it's really very nice. I really like the packaging. Honestly, this collection, the all of the packaging is so cute and so nice. And when as you can see on the video, the lip balm has 3 shades in it, and it smells also kind of like a candy, like a chocolate candy, and it's really makes your lips hydrate also, this lip balm.
Till the battle's won, till kingdom come.
So the next from the collection, it is the Coco Kiss Lip Dew set. It comes 3 set. As you can see, this is the first set, which is Brownie Bite. As you can see, it comes with a lip liner and a lip gloss. It's not actually a lipstick, which is a matte lipstick, but it's a lip gloss. And as you can see, that this is the liner I am applying now for Brownie Bite. It's very smooth, like the lip liner is so smooth. I really like it, as you can see on the video. So you can see, this is the lip gloss. As you can see, it's very nice. I really like the shade, and honestly speaking, even the lip liner and the lip gloss smells chocolate. Is so nice. I really honestly love this collection a lot.
They say I'm dangerous, 'cause I broke all the cages, no I.
Now the next set, it is cookies and milk. As you can see, this is kind of like a skin color type. As you can see, the shades, very nice also.
Never left. Till the battle's won, till kingdom come. I'll never run. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see.
And this last set from the lipstick, it is the lipstick shade, it's called Hot Fudge. As you can see, it's kind of like a dark brown color. As you can see, it's really like a dark brown, but it's really very nice also. And now this is the last from the collection. This is the Golden Egg Solid Perfume, and actually this is actually a perfume, a solid perfume. And look at this, it's so cute. It's like a kind of like a egg, and as you can see that it's very nice, and honestly this smells amazing. I absolutely love this. As you can see, I'm gonna apply onto my neck and onto my hand also. As you can see, it lasts, even also it lasts long also. It lasted for me one full day.
but it's gonna be a long night.
So yeah, as you can see that I'm gonna be applying my lashes. I really love this lashes. It's from Shein lash. It's really very pretty.
You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the thing.
So yeah guys, this is the final look of mine. I hope you all enjoyed watching my video. This is how I created this look from the Willy Wonka collection, and absolutely I really love the collection, all of it, especially the eyeshadow is so pigmented, each and every shade, and absolutely love the lip gloss set and everything. I hope you all enjoyed watching my video. Please do like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone. Love you all. Bye bye.